Oh, what's this? Simp certificate? Excuse me? Do you guys want a simp certificate? Mitsugi card. What the? Wait, what'd it say? A handwritten certificate filled with sarcasm. It reads, Simp certificate. Congratulations on unlocking the title of the simp. One day, they will know what a great person you are. LOL! Oh, that's mine. Thanks. Hopefully, whoever received this certificate will one day find his own happiness. Simp! 工具人って書くんだ。Ow! I'll take the entire stock. Anyone want a simp certificate from me? Any simps want it? I'm gonna certify you guys. Oh! 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 Oh my god, GTX 1060? That's trash! The most powerful graphics card of the year. Damn, that's old! What year is this? I think it was 2016? I think.